What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Blaze from the Dark Blaze channel, and we're here in the second-hand antique slash collectible shop that we got here in Porterville, California. And I kind of just want to turn this around a little bit and show you guys the little toy section and yeah, start this hunt video, baby. Let's go. All right, here it is, man. And I mean, we got a bunch of different stuff. We got some Star Wars 3 3/4 stuff, Black Series, some helmets, electronic helmets, some WWE stuff, Nerf guns, dollar bins. Oh man, we got a bunch of different stuff. We got model kits. We got Lionel train systems, all kinds of crazy things here. A box full of wrestlers, and I mean full of old school wrestlers. Box full of belts. I mean, there's just some cool stuff here. Some board games, Star Wars, bunch of different stuff, ladies and gentlemen, and I mean a bunch. All right, guys, that was a little taste of what it's like on Fridays and Saturdays for me going down into the Central Valley and working at my dad's secondhand store and in my little toy and collectible section right there. That's something that you guys are familiar with, but something you're not familiar with is the outdoor side of me. So how about I take you guys on a little fishing trip? Tomorrow at about 6 in the morning, I'll be getting up and going out to 3 ponds that are up here. All right, guys, we are here right now. Here's one of the ponds. Puppy, man. Yeah, it was last time too. So let's go ahead, get all set up and see what we can get, man. All right, guys, so here's my little Texas rig. I'll show you guys how I hook this up. This is a little plastic worm. I'm gonna use natural color looking. So basically you just thread the head on like so. Bring them out. Put them on the hammer, switch sides. Oh, hold on a second. Like that. Bring him up a little bit and then slide him through where you end up looking kind of like that. And if I didn't get that on camera, I'll probably show it again soon. That is a Texas rig. Now for a catfish bait, they up here in these ponds, they just like these hot dogs, regular old Franks. Kind of just break off a piece like that.
Don't believe it. What? It's a hot dog deal.
We caught one on hot dog. Then basically with my Carolina rig, this is how you hook them up.
You don't need that big a piece.
I put that big of a piece, this piece right here. Just like that. Kind of put it through. There we go.
He's doing it wrong. Perfect.
Got one, baby. Let's go. Let's go. First fish of the day. Look at that perfect hook set. Perfect hook set. Look at that. Ah. Oh yeah, a little pounder, little guy. Oh, he's a fighter. He is a fighter. Look at him. Let's go. Got one. Dad. Oh yeah. When your worm looks like this, you know it's been hit. Damn it. Ooh, baby, I got a pole bent down. I don't know if you guys could see that or not. Yeah. Got something here.
Get it, asshole.
He's stuck on something again.
He's hung up.
Yep.
Is it coming in? Yeah.
Yeah.
I seen it move 5 foot.
Bastard, man. You have to like be here whenever they hit, or else. Well, I got that fish out of that little brush. It's not a bad catfish. That's not a bad catfish. Oh, there's my girlfriend too. Hi. Look what I caught.
Who's that?
Nicole. Hey, it's good. Come on, fishy, take it. Right over there in those weeds.
Whoa,
whoa,
there it
whoa,
went
whoa.
again.
See? Something's messing with it. Something is messing with it. Now I just need to see it just bend. Once it bends over, I know there's fish on there. Come on, fishy, come on. Come on, fishy, come on, bite it. Alright guys, look. Barely hooked him, look at that.
Yep.
Look how barely he was.
Catch and release, my friends.
If I could get him off this. There we go. He's bleeding a little bit, but that's okay. That's a nice little blue. Oh yeah. There he goes. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for the little fishing trip. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, if you guys want to see more outdoor stuff on the channel every once in a while, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, which will probably be another toy hunt. I'll see you guys in. Peace, and remember to always stay blazed.